We'll demonstrate cross-stitch. Start from right of pattern first. Come up here at upper right. Then take down at end of line. Then come up at lower right. Return to upper line here and take down. Now one cross-shaped cross-stitch is complete. Demonstrate again. After coming up, stitch diagonally. Then come up from lower right. Stitch one stitch in opposite direction, forming cross-shaped pattern. Demonstrate again. Come up, stitch diagonally. Note when stitching, don't pull thread too tight, otherwise we'll form wrinkled state. That won't look good. We must maintain balanced tension. This stitch very suitable for stitching patterns or text, as well as some line expressions. All can stitch good effects. Take down. Let's see the finished effect.